So we are back at the same tri-junction. That's where the elephant dunk we had seen, and then there's this final trail that we'll try out of the ABC, Inky, Pinky, Ponky. So we're taking the Ponky now. Inky and Pinky are done. So I needed a much break. Much needed break was taken by me because after the fall I was all fine. Nothing happened in terms of body or something. It's just that my neck was a little sprained. So I just wanted to take a little rest. But then yeah, that's done. We are going back. So there's two unique things about this particular trail that I've seen, my observation. One is a lot of inclination here, and second thing is these rocks. There are lots and lots of these small rocks, and of course a lot of dry leaves. And grapes, is it? What fruit is this? So I see some fruit, looks like a grape, but then it's not grape. Not too sure what fruit is this. A lot of them over here. There's some habitation here because you can see some water line pumps going on. But irtu taralpa elelde fruit undu leka grapes leka dada grape leka I don't know, man.
Some kind of fruit.
And there are I think people living here because you see this water pipe going. So this particular place could be more habitated place, this one.
Like maybe other could be some farm or something, plantation or something.
I don't know. And it will be kind this is more civilized place.
And the water pipe nodi.
See, this is the biggest problem, rocks. And with the 18-inch it's not recommended to kind of go complete all out on your throttle, because suddenly if it hits the rock, right, it'll just throw you off. 21-inch will easily climb and go on it, but not on a 18-inch front wheel. Okay, we got a big ground kind of a situation now. Cricket go boli. ಒಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ತಿರ್ತು ಪೋಪುಣ ಒಂದು ದಾನೆ ಮಾರಿ ನೀ ಒಟ್ರಸಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಮಾಲೊಂದುಂಡು ಅಲ್ಪ ಮಿತ್ತದನ ಪೋಪುಂಡು ಬಡ್ಚಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಡ್ಚಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ ಒಟ್ರಸಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮೂರು మిత్తిపోడే ఆండా అత్తి అందండి. So this continues, and again there is water pipe. So I think this is the water which goes to the houses from the water source from there.
They'll continue.
And the trail continues.
Yeah, but this looks like a civilized.
Civilized route. This is more like.
The road is good, somewhat.
Yeah.
Hey, but no.
You spoke too early.
I spoke too early.
Yeah. Oh, look at this, bhai! Full of waterfalls.
ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್.
But then compared to that other two trails,
this looks easy for now, as of now.
Yeah, and this looks,
what will be ahead.
I think this is more civilized one. People come here regularly. I could see a chappal there thrown. There's a house on the top left hand side.
ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Adippu. And comes a small incline. And then there's a junction here.
See some tire patches here.
So this is the road people come here. I think this, this,
Out of here.
I think this is the exit dude.
Let's continue.
Yeah.
I think this will join some other.
No, this will,
what we have.
no, this will join where I thought that time you would have taken her down, no?
Yes.
I think that will
Oh,
join.
water crossing, here is by.
Finally, bro. Finally. And this is,
I was waiting for water crossing.
and this is a little deep, huh?
Yeah.
That side is a little deep. Finally. And lot of tadpoles.
And deep ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
Untle. Wait.
ಅಷ್ಟ ಹಂಗೆ ಪುಟ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂತ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Wherever I go, I never miss out on water crossing. And first thing what Kirtan told me, Girish, bhai, neeru. So we finished doing water crossing, and this probably will lead to our last trail joint or exit point. Let's see. We have a lot of off-roading to do. This is still, we're only half the way.
Okay, so we are continuing. So probably main road ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಒಂದು 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತೀಗ ವಾಪಸ್. ಆಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು.
And you'll see car, jeep tire marks because there is a little bit of.
ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆವು.
Okay, main road idu.
I mean, this is the main road. Main road in the sense the road what became easy.
Climb.
Yeah, that road.
So, like super tired, and to make things worse, it's the weather condition. It's like hot. Though we are in middle of the jungle, it's like hot, humid. So, yeah.
Trails ಮಾತ್ರ. ನಂಗೆ I didn't expect ಇಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I thought it would be like some 1 kilometer and it's done.
ಎಂತ ಹಾಫ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2.5 3 ಅವರ್ದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು.
Time is now 11:44 and we have reached here around what say 9:30 around?
No, by 9 we were here.
Okay. There's another trail here.
Okay. Should I come there?
We try.
Wait. Because once we start descending, then there's no looking back.
Yes.
It's like,
Try it out and then
yeah.
we'll.
Because it's a steep descending.
Yeah, correct.
And surprisingly, there's habitation here. There is people living. There's homes. I mean, I wonder how people even stay in such remote areas
Yeah.
where.
So, there are 2 trails here. Just check it out.
So just now I want to talk about the importance of having a boots when you're coming or doing off-road. So especially when you do such off-road, you have a lot of creepers and small wood on your side which keeps hitting your leg, which has happened to me in this ride a couple of times. And that's where your boots come into action. They take care of your leg completely. They protect your leg, and for any unseen. Okay, this is a house, so we don't want to go.
Maybe I just go down.
Okay, don't want to disturb the people around. So yeah, like I was continuing. So that's where the boot come into action, and I had 2 falls during this ride. So even that time, when you have a fall, your leg will always be straight, and because the way the shoe holds your leg together, and will not allow your leg to twist or anything. So that way your leg is always safe, and You know, that's why it's very important to have the right kind of riding gears while doing the right kind of stuff. Like if you're going off-road, make sure you're off-road ready. You can't wear like a road clothing or road kind of a setup and go to off-road, because in road you might just wear a regular shoes and ride that way. But when you're doing off-road, you need to have proper riding gears. And today,
one trail here.
yeah, so today, because of the proper riding gear, nothing happened to me. Otherwise, second fall, oh freak. Yeah, see, this is where I was talking about. My leg got stuck with a small
Go to incline, Girishanna.
okay, you go, I'll follow.
Let's go.
So yeah, that's why it's very important to have the right equipment, because I had the right shoes and right
Oh,
jacket.
beauty.
It was good.
I think this is it. This is it.
Okay,
But you come till here
yeah,
and enjoy the view.
so let's just come here and stop. See, my leg does not reach here. That's the problem. ಏನಿತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮಾರು. Wow! Look at this freaking view.
Crazy.
Look at this.
So first ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಈ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದವು. Then we reached here.
Right grid call exited.
Check the freaking view here. Wow. So you can see these beauties, right? So we are in one of those mountain on this side. So if we go there, we'll probably see this and say, wow, beautiful. So we are literally on one of those hills. Crazy. And look at Hermes and Expulse posing in style.